I love Princess Diaries featuring Princess Mia and the ever-famous Hermes scarf. Little did I know, fast forward to today, I'll have my very own Hermes beauty products. Hi, this is Jebs. It's time for another unboxing. This time, let's open an orange box. So today, let's welcome Hermes Beauty to my collection. Hermes, for me, is an underrated brand because of its very simple packaging. You won't notice it that much. I have no idea what to expect in this order. What I just know is Hermes screams luxury and elegance. Eau de Mandarine Ambree is the first body balm that I opened, and oh my, I did not regret it. I bought 3 out of 4 body balms. I thought I'm done collecting lipsticks, but who wouldn't want to have these Hermes lipsticks? Yes, it's so true. The best things come in orange boxes. I wasn't really a fan of Hermes lipsticks before, but now that I have them, I must say their subtlety is their main strength. Orange is the new black, but I'm telling you, once you have the opportunity to buy an Hermes lipstick, please get their limited edition lipsticks as well, like this one. For every lipstick purchase comes with a mini pouch and an orange box. I can't wait to collect more from Hermes. Eau d'Orange Verte has a citrus minty scent. They say it's a man's scent, but I'm hoping to love it as well. Hermes Body Balm's packaging is very chic yet simple. But please, don't be fooled. It never gave me any allergic reaction. Every time I apply this balm on my body, I just feel relaxed and peaceful, as if I'm always ready to sleep or ready to face the world. Thank you, Hermes and Rustans, for taking care of my order. I appreciate everyone who prepared this for me. I'm so happy. For every time I purchase at Rustans, I receive a gift from them. This time, it's a Kenya orange bag. Perfect for Hermes. I'm gonna leave you with this popular quote mentioned in Princess Diaries. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent. Remember, no one can hurt you unless you allow them to. Thanks for dropping by. Hope to see you again next time. Bye! If you'd like to see more videos from this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you!
Thank you, Grandma.
Connect with me on Facebook, DM me on Instagram, or learn more about me on my blog, misinformation.blog. See ya!